What is going on, guys? Today we've got the Carbon KitKat ROM on the Xperia S, which has come out pretty recently. And yeah, I saw it on the XDA developers under Xperia S development forum. And yeah, so far I'll just show you the first thing about it, which is the boot logo, which is probably one of the best things about it. Nah, jokes, but like it does look very, very nice already just by looking at the boot logo. So this will take a while, but yeah, it's just to give you an idea. So it starts with something very small and then it comes. So yeah, that's something pretty important to me. I don't know why, but I've always liked the boot logos on things, and it means it shows you what the, let's say, the ROM developers have done into it. So if they even make their own boot logo for it, you know there's been put a lot of time and effort into it. So first of all, it's a very similar to the wait, what's it called? Cyanogen mod, which was the first release on the Xperia S for 4.4.2. But this is basically like the very customizable version of it. So on the background, as we can see, I've already got this open. I'll just try and get it to focus on my screen. This is like the website of Carbon, and this shows all their features. So it like shows that you can activate the navigation bar on it. You can, yeah, all these things are all the features it's got. It's got the torch going on with like shortcuts. You can edit the power menu. The navigation bar is already there, but that's like that with all 4.4 things. What else do we have? Yeah, we have you can edit the whole launcher, because it's launched with the trebuchet launcher. And then yeah, you got the quick launch, of course. You got all these things, and it's something very cool I just saw, which is this one. It's the Moto X, as everyone knows, displays like the light going on and off. I can show you later maybe. Like it shows like the clock on and off, but it won't be very good for this Xperia S, I'm thinking, because it would use a lot of battery, seeing it isn't a LED display, but it's LCD, so it uses all the pixels and not like with the LED. It's got night mode and so on and so on. So to get back onto the phone, here it is. So first of all, you got the lock screen, and then yeah, just unlock it, and then it starts off very simple. I haven't put the gaps on it yet, so don't expect too much from the settings. So it's only got one drawer at the moment. And then wait, I just turn off the screen to get some more focus onto the, onto this. There, lovely. So it's got all these things, and then here you have the Omni Switch already. So if we go on this, you can already see a lot of things that you can change. So you can enable the Omni Switch, and then it's basically this thing. It's very cool. This is like the second time I've booted up the ROM, so I'm really like, I'm a beginner to it. So, but I really recommend it already. It shows recent apps. It's basically got like all the home buttons and all that. So wait, I'll just get back to that. There we go. And then you can change the icons. You can change, yeah, basically everything. I love customizable ROM. So like it takes a while to get it all to your preference, but when you've figured it out, eventually it looks very, very nice. So going on, it comes with the Dsp Manager. So this is basically the equalizer for it, which is looking very nice, like the other ones I've had on previous ROMs, but this one is a bit more not simple, but it's got presets and all that, and you can like basically go on this and like, you know, it's pretty similar to the other equalizers anyway. And then coming down to the settings, here's always the good part of it. You can go down to the personalization tab it's got, which is nice to see. And then you've got the carbon fibers, the dark carbon, but just activate that. And then it's just black. It's basically like the Slim Bean ROM. And then you've got the themes, but it usually only comes with one theme. Yeah, exactly. So it's got one theme. And then going on to the carbon fibers, you got about carbon. And then you got buttons. Let's look at this one. So you can choose how long these, I think this is for the backlit buttons, how long they stay in backlit for, like very customizable, as you can see. Long press, what does this do? Camera button, wake, playback control. Oh, sorry about the light in the background, that's my light on the ceiling. Playback control is when your screen is off, and then long pressing the key, camera key, will play, pause current music track. Going on, you've got the keyboard cursor control. Let's just see what this is. Volume up, down, moves cursor left and right. Oh, that looks pretty handy. Yeah, it looks very useful things I've seen. And then that was only just one. I'm going to go into all of them just because it's an overview. I know it's like to show what's different compared to the Cyanogen mods, because it's a very good ROM and it's almost stable, or maybe it is even stable. I don't know, I haven't been up to date. But this is like, it's really, yeah, it's like kind of the pack ROM. I think they've also got the pack, but I shouldn't compare it to the pack ROM, but like, alright, so that's a glitch, I guess. First bug found. Device tunables. You got the interface going, expanded desktop without the navigation bar then. And then you got list view animations, battery saver mode, progress bar style. Yeah, it's all very nice. Definitely go and check it out. You got the lock screen navigation bar. You can get the Pi menu going. Oh, I love Pi. I don't know. How does it work again? Oh, I forgot how it works. Well, anyway, I still need to figure it all out. But yeah, wait. Where was I on the personalization tab? Yeah, carbon. And then we've got the power menu and the status bar. I was trying to look for that pocket thing, wherever that was. Come on, it said in the features. Well, I haven't found it yet, but let me know if you found and see what it's like, because I think it looked, to have it like the Moto X would be a very cool thing to have. Recent panel, recent RAM, clear position. Alright, so that all goes into detail. And then for the rest, you just have some very, like the usual things that you have on the phone. Oh wait, I always usually start with this, but just to show, it's on the KitKat, of course. And yeah, we got all this whatever they are, Easter eggs or something like that. So yeah, I'm trying to think of what else I could show you, but yeah, it's if you know what Cyanogen mod is, but you should basically have to know it for this ROM, because the only way to install this ROM onto your Xperia S is by installing it after doing a Dalvik cache and data clean from the Cyanogen mod, or yeah, Cyanogen mod ROM. So you have to have that one on it first. So I'll put the link of the developers. All credit goes to them, of course, as usual. I've just gone onto their website on XDA and followed what they've told me to do, and then now I'm just trying to show you guys their work, and yeah, give them like a what is it, a thanks or something. Yeah, you need to thank them, and yeah, go and check it out, and yeah, check out my other videos for more Xperia S ROMs, and I've also got some other things nowadays. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and see you next time.